Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on some holiday charms and wine stopper. For the making of these charms, I'm using a hooped earring, and you can find these in the jewelry section about any craft store. And I'm also using jump rings, and I'll be using my leftover beads that I've had from different projects, as well as African bone beads, cowrie shells, and other findings. So this is a great craft for the holidays that you can use some of your leftover pieces to make some good giveaway charms and gifts. The making of these charms is really simple. As you can see here, you can really easily do it with hand, especially if you choose to use a larger bead. So I'm just taking the earring and kind of threading the bead through the earring, and then using a charm to go in the center between the beads. For the charm centerpieces themselves, this is where you would need one of the jump rings in order to connect it to the earring. So depending on the size or the thickness of the piece, sometimes you might need to add an additional jump ring. For this next charm idea, I am using a cowrie shell that I actually got from the beauty supply store. And if you followed my channel for any period of time, you know I like using alternative craft supplies from different places. And although I could have painted cowrie shells myself, I just thought it really cool that the beauty supply had these. But this cowrie shell represents an example of where I had to use 2 jump rings in order to get it to go on the earring. As you can see here, I started to notice that the initial ring was too small or too tight to go on the earring. So I used an additional jump ring in order to get it to slide easily onto the hoop. For this next craft idea, I'm doing a wine stopper, and I really enjoy making these. I used to make them a lot back when I had an Etsy store, but you can find these really easily on Amazon. And if you do, make sure you get the kind that comes with the correct size or the matching epoxy sticker, because that's really important. It helps to protect your image. And it comes with an adhesive to kind of protect the image and makes it a nice, more finished looking wine stopper. So for the images, I've taken images and put them on a regular sheet of paper, but I made sure that I reduce the image to exactly a square. And I took the sheet of paper to go get laminated, because I like the stiffness of the laminated paper and the glossiness of it. And I figured that just kind of helps the wine stopper look better, and it comes up clearer when you put the epoxy sticker on it. But that's just my personal preference. You don't have to necessarily take that step. The epoxy sticker that comes with the wine stopper will give you a nice look. But you would still have to make sure you glue your image down. And when you go ahead and laminate it, it kind of stops the glue, or whatever you choose to glue it down with, from bleeding through the paper. So this next step here is based on personal preference. Of course, after you put the epoxy sticker on, you're pretty much finished. But if you want to add a little extra bling or some extra glamour, you could add rhinestones around the perimeter of the wine stopper. I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys felt inspired to do something really creative for the holidays, or maybe even give some nice DIY gifts. But anyway, please feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know which one of these was your favorite. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, leave a comment, and feel free to share. I'll see you guys next week.